Hi, welcome to FlexClip. You've probably seen those viral AI ads made with Sora 2 and VO 3.1. They're everywhere, right? Want to try them yourself and see how those stunning cinematic ads are made? Well, now you can. All in FlexClip. No switching apps, no extra subscriptions. Instant access to Sora 2, VO 3.1, Kling 2.5 Turbo, and more. And since Black Friday is just around the corner, let's see how these viral AI models can help you create the ultimate Black Friday video ad. In this tutorial, we'll show you 2 powerful ways to create stunning, cinematic Black Friday video ad in just minutes. Method 1. AI image to video. Before we start making the video, we need a great idea first. Alright, step 1. Open ChatGPT and ask it to create a 12-second commercial script for your product. We will take wireless Bluetooth earbuds, for example, here. You can also add your logo and slogan to the prompt. This helps make the video perfectly match your brand identity. Step 2. Head to FlexClip AI Video Generator. Here, you can choose from the most popular AI models, including Sora 2 Pro, VO 3.1, and Kling 2.5 Turbo. Now, let's select Sora 2 Pro, upload your product image, enter the video prompt. Here, you can use the prompts you just generated in ChatGPT. Choose the video length, and simply click Generate. Alright, let's check out the final result.
Soundwave Nova. Style and sound in sync. Tailored comfort, effortless adjustment, craftsmanship that speaks to quality, sophistication in every turn. Immerse in sound, elevate your day.
It looks good, right? If you already have stunning product images and a creative idea in mind, you can skip the scripting part and go straight into motion. Open FlexClip's Image to Video tool, choose the start and end frame model, upload your product's first and last frame, then enter your animation prompt. Depending on the animation effects you want, you can have ChatGPT write the prompt for the first and last frames of the video. Select your preferred duration and click Generate. Just like that, your static product images transforms into a cinematic video ad, giving you full creative control over how it looks and moves. Now, let's take a look at some other product ads made with FlexClip. This one is an AI-generated skincare commercial. And yes, we can change the background to create multiple versions of the same ad. With AI, you can even generate different camera angles and shoot styles, all from a single product image. Now, let's look at the second way for producing a video ad. Method 2. AI Recreate. Next, head over to FlexClip's template page and type Black Friday. You'll instantly get thousands of ready-made templates. Pick your favorite style, click AI Recreate. Here you need to choose the language and tone for your video ad. Then type in your video theme and upload a few product photos. Within seconds, a complete video draft with smooth transitions, music, and text appears right on your timeline. Just fine-tune a few details like image and price. Your video is ready to use. Hold on. Ready to power your creativity all year long? FlexClip is offering an epic 40% off on all annual plans for our holiday event. Use code BLACKFRIDAY40 at checkout. This exclusive limited-time offer ends December 6th. Upgrade now and create without limits. Meanwhile, we're giving away 1,000 AI credits to 3 lucky creators. All you have to do is hit that like button and comment Black Friday below to enter the draw. That's all for the tutorial. Don't wait. Open FlexClip now and bring your ad video to life. Please like and subscribe for more AI videos. See you soon!